The smartphone market is a crowded space, filled with countless options and fierce competition. Every year we see new models and innovations, each trying to outdo the last. Every manufacturer wants to claim the top spot, striving to offer the best features, the most advanced technology, and the sleekest designs. It's a relentless race to be the best. But every now and then, a phone comes along that demands attention, standing out from the sea of devices. It captures the imagination and sets new standards for what a smartphone can be, the Huawei Mate 50 Pro is one of those phones. It's not just another addition to the lineup, it's a game changer. It's a flagship device that refuses to compromise, offering top-tier specifications and a design that exudes luxury and sophistication. From its stunning design to its powerful performance, the Mate 50 Pro aims to impress. It boasts a sleek, modern aesthetic, coupled with cutting-edge technology that ensures it performs at the highest level. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. We'll explore its features, performance, and what makes it stand out in a crowded market. This is not just another phone release, it's a significant moment for Huawei, marking their return to the forefront of the smartphone industry. This is Huawei making a statement. They are showcasing their ability to innovate and lead, despite the challenges they have faced. They are back in the flagship game and ready to compete with the best. The Mate 50 Pro stands tall among the top contenders, offering features that rival and even surpass those of its competitors. The Mate 50 Pro is a testament to Huawei's commitment to innovation and pushing boundaries. It represents their vision for the future of smartphones, blending advanced technology with user-centric design. Get ready for a deep dive into what might be the most exciting phone of the year. We'll uncover its secrets, explore its capabilities, and see why the Huawei Mate 50 Pro is a true flagship contender. First impressions matter. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro makes a good one. It exudes elegance with its sleek lines and premium materials. The phone is surprisingly comfortable to hold. It has a lightweight design. The rounded corners make it feel great in hand. The back of the phone is just as impressive. It boasts a unique and eye-catching camera module. This is where the phone's photographic prowess is housed. The Mate 50 Pro is available in a range of stunning colors. These include silver, black, purple, and orange. Each color option adds a touch of personality to the phone. The display is a smartphone's window to the world. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro doesn't disappoint. It has a large 6.74-inch OLED display. This screen brings content to life. Colors are vibrant and punchy. Blacks are deep and inky thanks to the OLED technology. The Mate 50 Pro's display has a high refresh rate of 120 Hz. This makes scrolling through menus and gaming incredibly smooth. The display also supports HDR10+. This ensures a wider range of colors and greater contrast. Whether you're watching movies or browsing photos, the Mate 50 Pro's display is a real treat. Flagship phones demand flagship performance. In today's fast-paced world, having a device that can keep up with your needs is essential. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro delivers on all fronts, offering a seamless experience right from the moment you unbox it. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 4G mobile platform, a powerhouse that ensures your phone runs smoothly and efficiently. This chipset is a beast, designed to handle everything you throw at it, from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications. It handles even the most demanding tasks with ease, allowing you to multitask without any lag or slowdown. The Mate 50 Pro has an octa-core CPU, which means it has 8 powerful cores working together to deliver top-notch performance. This ensures smooth multitasking and app launching, so you can switch between apps effortlessly and get things done faster. The Adreno GPU provides a significant boost in graphics performance, making it perfect for gaming and other graphically intensive applications. Whether you're playing the latest high-end games or using apps that require intense graphics, this phone has you covered. The phone comes with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring that you have enough memory to run multiple apps simultaneously without any issues. This ensures smooth performance even when multiple apps are open, so you can keep your workflow uninterrupted. Storage options include 256 GB or 512 GB, giving you plenty of space to store your apps, photos, and videos. This gives you ample space for your apps, photos, and videos, ensuring that you never run out of storage and can keep all your important files with you at all times. Section 5, Photography Redefined. Xmage enters the scene. The The Huawei Mate 50 Pro is a photography powerhouse. It introduces Huawei's new X-Mage imaging system. This system represents a significant leap forward in mobile photography. It combines innovative hardware and software. The Mate 50 Pro's camera system is a triple threat. It has a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens. There is also a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. A 64-megapixel telephoto lens rounds out the package. This lens offers 3.5 times optical zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom. This allows you to capture stunning shots from various distances. Section 6. Mastering light and detail. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro excels in low-light photography. The main sensor features a variable aperture. This allows it to adjust to different lighting conditions. The aperture can open as wide as f/1.4. This is great for capturing more light in low-light situations. The Mate 50 Pro's camera also boasts improved optical image stabilization. This helps to reduce blur and produce sharper images. The phone can capture stunning detail even in challenging lighting conditions. This is thanks to its advanced image processing capabilities. Section 7. Beyond the lens, AI takes charge. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in the Mate 50 Pro's camera system. The phone leverages AI to enhance images and offer creative shooting modes. The AI scene recognition feature can identify a wide range of scenes. These include landscapes, portraits, and food. It then adjusts camera settings accordingly to capture the best possible shot. The Mate 50 Pro also introduces several new shooting modes. These include Super Night mode, which captures incredible detail in low light. There is also a Pro mode, which gives you full control over camera settings. The Portrait mode creates stunning bokeh effects. This helps your subject stand out. Section 8. Storage and expandability. Running out of storage is a thing of the past with the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. The phone comes with ample internal storage options. You can choose from 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes. This gives you plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. If you need even more storage, the Mate 50 Pro has you covered. It supports Huawei's nano memory card. This allows you to expand your storage capacity up to an additional 256 gigabytes. With so much storage space at your fingertips, you can capture memories without worry. Section 9. Battery life and charging. A powerful phone needs a powerful battery. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro packs a 4,700 mAh battery. This easily lasts for a full day of use. Even with heavy usage, you can comfortably get through the day without needing to recharge. When it's time to recharge, the Mate 50 Pro supports 66-watt Huawei Supercharge. This gives you a quick boost of power when you need it most. The phone also supports 50-watt wireless Huawei Supercharge. This offers a convenient way to charge your phone without cables. Section 10. Software Experience EMUI 13. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro runs on EMUI 13. This is Huawei's custom Android skin. EMUI 13 offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. It comes with a range of features designed to enhance productivity and entertainment. EMUI 13 introduces several new features. These include a redesigned control panel and improved multitasking capabilities. The software also focuses on privacy and security. It offers a range of features to protect your data. These include an app lock and a private space for your most sensitive files. Section 11. Final verdict, is it worth it? The Huawei Mate 50 Pro is a true flagship smartphone. It stands out in a crowded market with its premium build quality and attention to detail. It excels in every area. From its stunning design and impressive performance, the Mate 50 Pro is engineered to deliver a seamless user experience. To its groundbreaking camera system and long-lasting battery life, this device is built to keep up with your daily demands and more. The Mate 50 Pro is a top contender in the smartphone market. It competes head-to-head with other flagship devices, offering features that are both innovative and practical. While the lack of Google mobile services might be a deal-breaker for some users, it's important to consider the alternatives available. The Mate 50 Pro's overall package is undeniably impressive. It offers a suite of features that cater to both casual users and tech enthusiasts. If you're looking for a premium smartphone experience, the Mate 50 Pro delivers on multiple fronts. And can live without Google Apps, there are plenty of alternatives that can fulfill your needs. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro is definitely worth considering. Its blend of high-end features and robust performance makes it a strong choice. It's a testament to Huawei's commitment to innovation. The company continues to push the envelope in smartphone technology. The Mate 50 Pro pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. It's not just a device, it's a statement of what's possible in the world of mobile technology.